and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share client invoices through Zoho Books. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to share your client invoices through your Zoho Books, all you can do is simply go and tap open Zoho Books. Once you have done this, you can simply share your client invoices in Zoho Books by either emailing the invoice directly from the platform or by generating and sharing a secure, shareable link. To email, navigate to the invoice and tap on Send. After this, you need to choose Send Email from the drop-down menu. After you have done this, to share via link, you can go to the invoice and click on the Share button. Configure the link settings and then copy and share the generated link. So by doing this, you can share your client invoices through your Zoho Books. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.